Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot in Huawei Nova Y61. And to do this, first we'll need to locate the slot, and it should be on the left side right here. Now let's remove the case cover. Take a needle from the box and stick it in the gap right here. Push it open and remove the slot. Inside you can find one SIM card slot right here, and there's also a second slot. It's right here, but you will need to sacrifice the SD card for it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.